Hi everyone, welcome to Homecraft. This is an eggless mug cake and it is very easy to make. If you are craving to have something sweet, this is an easy recipe for you. So grab your favorite mug. Hi everyone, let's get started. Let's start by measuring 4 tablespoons of maida or plain flour. This is how you measure it. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and if you don't have powdered sugar, you can grind normal sugar and then add it. After some sugar, it's time to add some fat. You can add butter, melted butter or oil. Here I am using vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons. Now it's time to add milk, and I'll add 3 tablespoons of milk. Now goes vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon for flavor. After vanilla essence, I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I am going to add some tutti frutti. You can add nuts as well. I love tutti frutti, so I am adding some more. Mix everything so that they get well combined. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt. Mix everything well again. Isn't it easy to just grab a mug and add ingredients to make your favorite dessert? Mix everything well, and the batter should be nice and smooth without any lumps. Now it's ready to go in the microwave for at least 1 minute. Now let's take it out from the microwave and check that it's cooked well. It looks well cooked, but still let's check it. Now insert a knife, and if the knife comes out clean, it means that the cake is cooked well. For serving, I'll add some more tutti frutti and chocolate syrup on it. There are many ways to enjoy this mug cake, like you can add some ice cream on it and enjoy it. Now I will show you how well it has been cooked. And now I am tempted to, it's hot, but I am tempted to taste it. I'll take another bite as it's very tasty. Do try this recipe and enjoy it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and do share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel Homecraft. Bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.